Today, I'm going to show you some cool videos of some stuff that I've done. Not because I want to show off, but because I want to show you what following your dreams actually gets you. Hello, my name is Jonny Bradley. That's me right there. Blink, you might miss it. And this time last year, I was working a dead-end job in recruitment. Late nights, early mornings, and just no time to enjoy life. I saw people online making their dreams come true, and I decided that it was time for me to do exactly that. Fast forward, and now I've been able to travel the world and have financial freedom. I want to share my experience with you. So over the past year, I've actually documented every step of my journey, from putting in the long hours, quitting my job, and creating that laptop lifestyle. So today, I just want to invite you to like my page, follow me on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, all for free. Because if you are like me, thinking that there's more to life than working a 9 to 5, you're right, there is. And I want to help you get there. So make sure you don't let this video just run you by, take action and let me help you live the life you've always dreamed of.